Hey guys, it's Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to the channel. I'm outside with actually all my kids. Jonah's trying to play with the box here. Jesse's actually changing speakers. So I got speakers from OEM Audio Plus, and that's what I'm teaching Jesse how to install. And they're getting excited here. So we're testing out the speakers in a little bit, and I'm excited to hear how they sound. All right, guys, we'll be right back.
I got this.
Alright guys, just want to let you know this particular video I'm actually going to just demo the before and after of the install. The next video I'm going to go ahead and do a full DIY how to replace the speakers. I didn't want to put them all together because the DIY part is actually pretty lengthy, and I think that some of you guys might know how to do it and you guys might not. So you have that choice about looking at the other videos, but I know that most of you haven't heard OEM Audio speakers, so that's why I want to talk about it in this part 1 video. Again, part 2 is the DIY. Alright, here we go. So after my upgrade to the Kicker Tweeters, I still felt like I needed a little bit better sound. So I decided to go to check out OEM Audio Plus. They had a great reputation for sound. I've actually heard their entire system, but I decided just to go for the speaker upgrades for the moment. As you can see here, you get to pick up the setup that you want. So you can go from speakers to amplifications to subwoofers to a second subwoofer. Alright, so these are the OEM Tweeters. Again, these are non-JBL. These are stock speakers that you would find in any of the Tacomas, 2016 and up, 3rd generation. They're also on other Toyotas, I believe, and Subarus. But anyways, that's what it looks like. OEM. Definitely a big difference using the Kicker. Here's the Kicker speakers or tweeters, and you can see it has a thick grill. Looks like, you can just see a big difference on it. Now moving on to the OEM Audio, it's a much tinier speaker. I am not a engineer, but you can see that they are a smaller tweeter. It's a soft dome tweeter. It doesn't look metallic, so that's paper. This one looks metal to me inside. You see that little shine? That looks like metal. And this one, I'm not going to push it, but this looks like a soft dome tweeter. So it's made out of a soft fabric, it looks like. You can see it's basically plug and play. It has the adapter ports just like the other ones, and he just plugs it in and gets to it. Alright, going from the tweeter, we're going to go with the front door speaker. As you can see here, the materials of the front door speaker is actually carbon fiber. And if you look at the back, it is a neo-medium magnet, the same magnet that the tweeter has. So it's basically a small magnet with packing a lot of power. So here is the rear door speaker. This one here also has a carbon fiber speaker cone and a tweeter built in, so that way the rear passengers can also get that full range of sounds. Now compared to the stock speakers, you can see the stock speakers are made out of cheap, simple paper. So for my sound testing, I wanted to use my Zoom sound recorder to pick up the best sound quality, but unfortunately I didn't have a screen over the mics, so the air conditioning vents went ahead and made a lot of noise, and because of that noise, I'm going to be using sound footage from my cell phone, and you still can hear a difference between before and after. Keep in mind, I already did the Kicker tweeter upgrade, so the highs are actually going to be a little bit better than what it was stock from my previous mod. So there's still definitely an improvement, and you should be able to hear it here. I'm using a track that I've tested with in my previous video, so check it out, guys. Okay, it's at 40.
Okay, that's loud.
Alright guys, after a few weeks of testing the OEM audio speakers, I gotta say that there is definitely an improvement. When I did the Kicker tweeters, I definitely could hear a better clarity with it. But now since I replaced all 6 speakers with the OEM audio system, definitely noticed even better improvement, because now not only my highs are better with the tweeter upgrade, but now I have more mid bass and more bass. Now it doesn't have the sub bass because I don't have a subwoofer. Now it doesn't have the sub bass because I don't have a subwoofer. Hint, hint. Maybe I'm gonna get that. And I would like a little more power, but again, overall, the sound quality is definitely improved. You should be able to hear it in the before and after that I pointed out earlier. You can hear my door speakers were actually pushing the limits. You can actually hear it rattling. So I wanted to get better quality with my sound recorder, but unfortunately the air conditioning vents were picked up and there was a lot of noise, so I couldn't do it that way. But I think you can tell the difference still using the cell phone. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post below. If you guys have OEM audio equipment, give me some input as well. Should I go ahead and do the subwoofer and amplification? Alright guys, again, thanks for coming onto the channel. Part 2 is going to be showing Jesse installing the speakers. So if you need to know how to do it, check out that video. Alright guys, peace out.